Will you be long?
Hard to say. I'm not done training yet.
You should give that arm a rest.
Rest? With fire-spitting demons roaming Ishikari, if I don't get stronger, I'll end up as kindling.
Train with me. You just might learn something.
Like what?
Plenty. Bamboo doesn't fight back.
Tell me about it. I had the rotten luck to live in these demon-infested hills.
First to draw blood wins.
You're incredible. Maybe I do need a break. Wish I could swing so